Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good
Yes,
evening.
sir.
Good evening.
Good
Good evening.
evening.
Yesterday we discussed about important characteristics of wave. Wavelength is completed. Frequency and wave number also completed. Relationship between velocity, wavelength, and frequency also completed. Next, electromagnetic spectrum. Oh, sorry. Amplitude. Amplitude is not completed. So this is height of crest or depth of trough is called amplitude. So this height or this depth we are calling amplitude. So write definition. Is height of crest or depth of trough. It's called amplitude. Units, nanometers or angstrom or picometers. Trough. Then electromagnetic spectrum.
Sir,
Yes.
sir is always amplitude constant for a certain wave.
Yeah, for a wave it is a constant. Constant value.
We can't change it, sir.
No, it not changes.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. The marker is too light, sir. Could you use a darker one?
Yes, yes, yes. I will use.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, could you tell the units of the amplitude again? I'm
Nanometers. This is nanometer nm or angstroms a power 0 or picometers pm. Nothing but centimeter, sorry, centimeters or meters also we may use.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, listen here. We have different type of radiations like gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible rays, radio waves. So we have different type of radiations. So these radiations are differ in their wavelengths or in their frequencies. So here, those radiations are arranged in the increasing order of their wavelength or decreasing order of their frequencies. It's called electromagnetic spectrum.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hello? Am I not audible clearly?
Sir, your voice is breaking. I'm unable to hear you.
Hello?
Sir, now it's audible.
Now fine?
Sir, it's still breaking a little.
Okay, now am I audible?
Yes, sir.
See here, we have different type of radiations, those having different wavelengths or frequencies. So different type of radiations have different wavelength or frequencies. So here, those radiations are arranged in the increasing order of their frequency, wavelength or decreasing order of their frequency. It's called electromagnetic spectrum.
So should we copy this down?
Yes, right. Various radiations are arranged in the increasing order of their wavelength or decreasing order of their frequencies. It's called electromagnetic spectrum. Write this.
Sir,
Yes.
So can these electromagnetic spectrum or the radiations in them can move in vacuum?
Yeah, they can travel in vacuum also.
Okay.
Now write those radiations order down. So okay, right here also no problem. Say space sufficient. Cosmic rays. So this is frequency order. Cosmic rays having highest frequency. Then after gamma rays.
So is this a table?
What?
Is this a table?
Hello?
Sir, is this a table?
No, not tabular form. Just order. Order of different type of radiation. So frequency order. This I am writing frequency order. So right here, frequency order of different type of radiations. Here, frequency of or frequency order of different radiations. So cosmic rays having highest frequency, then gamma rays, after X-rays, then UV rays, visible.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, so the increasing order of its frequency means the decreasing order of its
Wavelength.
wavelength.
Yeah. Decreasing order of that is frequency. Okay, so here cosmic rays have high frequency, means it having lowest wavelength. After
sir,
visible rays, IR rays.
Cosmic rays are the most harmful rays.
Yeah,
from
most
the-
harmful rays.
And X-rays are more harmful
No.
than UV
Cosmic
rays?
rays are more harmful, then gamma rays, then X-rays, then UV rays. So
Oh.
X-rays means here two type of X-rays we have, hard X-rays and soft X-rays.
Okay.
To find cracks in bones or breakage of bones,
Okay.
we are using soft X-rays, not hard X-rays.
Sir, so
Hard
if
X-rays are using, tell me.
if cosmic rays has the highest frequency, that means its penetrating effect is also
Yes,
more.
they're having more penetrating effect. Highly energetic radiations, those are.
Sir, first of all, what is a cosmic ray?
Sir,
Just
and
it's
what
a
are
form of a
visible rays?
radiation? See, what we are saying in this radiation, visible rays, UV rays, gamma rays, all are just a light only. But here some light are visible, some lights are not visible. Just it is a electromagnetic radiation. Already yesterday we discussed what electromagnetic wave.
So then what is the origin of cosmic ray?
Hot substance, any body, any material is heated at high temperature, it releases but cosmic rays, to release cosmic rays, normal heating at 5,000, 6,000, even 10,000 voltage also not sufficient. It's a very high voltage at a very high temperature only such radiations are releases.
Sir, so one type of source can emit different kinds of rays, or only one type of rays? A single source can
Okay,
emit.
suppose if you see sunlight, it releases different type of radiations.
Okay.
It's not only one type. But if you go for man-made, some materials are there, those are releasing one or two type. Some materials are releasing only one kind of radiations. And
so,
suppose black body radiations. I think you did you listen to the black body?
no, sir.
Collapsing of atoms. Sorry, stars.
Yeah. Okay,
During, yes, that during that time are the when galaxies are merges or galaxy center. Mostly galaxy centers are releasing this kind of highly powerful radiations, cosmic rays and gamma rays. Highly dangerous. Gamma rays are even produces when atomic bomb blasting during the in such cases these rays are releases, gamma rays.
Sir, and visible rays?
Visible rays in general we are visualizing the light colors, different colors of light, red color, blue color, not white color. In that white color only this kind of radiations are present.
Sir, so the visible rays are, the source of visible rays are natural?
Yeah, here all are natural only. All radiations are natural radiations.
Sir, so can
But
two
see,
or three
visible-
type of rays can give rise to a different kind of ray?
no, you are talking about merging.
Yeah.
No.
No. Okay.
That won't give us any merging. So here visible rays, this radiation only we can visualize. This all remaining radiations we can't visualize.
So, sir, the X-ray in the table, in this table, the X-ray, it combines both soft and hard
Yeah.
X-rays.
In this X-rays, X-rays only having soft X-rays, hard X-rays. Those
Okay.
hard X-rays we are using to determine the cracks in metal
the
tubes.
okay,
Yeah, those are mostly doing in the defense equipment to
like in
identify that cracks.
submarines and
Yes,
all,
those only we are using hard X-rays. Soft X-rays, to find bone
cracks and
cracks.
bones.
Yeah, and
Sir, are
breakage.
X-rays, sir, are X-rays made out of cathode rays?
Yeah, cathode rays.
Okay, sir.
So what is the lowest value of wavelength?
Lowest value here mentioned value is 10 power minus 16, and below that all
And the
rays are
highest?
comes under, below that all radiations are comes under cosmic rays only. 10 power minus 16.
The highest, sir? The highest
Highest we
wavelength.
can see at radio waves. 10 power 4. Okay.
So units?
Units, meters. Meters. Okay, I will give you that order and frequencies and wavelengths also. Note down. After visible rays, next infrared rays. After microwaves. Then least the radio waves. Radio waves. Write that order.
So, what are IR rays?
Infrared.
Infrared.
Mean infrared rays.
Sir, all these rays are charged particles.
No, not our charged particles. Having just the energetic wave. Only in X-rays we may see some charged particles. When electrons are ejected from metal plate, there we can observe some massive particle. In remaining cases, we don't observe any massive particles.
Sir, you said that photons are present in light, no, sir?
Yeah.
Then in UV rays, IR rays, photons are present, sir?
Yes, that is all are photons only. But I said photon is a massless particle.
So all these rays contain photons.
Yeah. Photons only. It's a kind of energy. It's a packet of energy we are calling quantum. That's only photon. Next theory will come. There I will explain you about details of Planck quantum theory. So this theory is only about particles having, so not particles, radiation having only wave nature. Here we shouldn't think about a particle. That's what here some failures also there in this theory. It's completed.
Yes, sir.
Then draw this diagram. Is wavelength in meter, frequency in second inverse. So cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, UV,
So the light is
visible.
it's making the second line.
This one?
No, sir. The
No,
one.
no, here.
Yes, sir.
Here nothing is there. Just find here lambda.
Yes, sir.
Here frequency nu.
Okay.
Nu in bracket this one. Second
Okay.
inverse. And here visible. Infrared. Microwaves. Radio waves.
So what's the unit before below lambda?
Below in bracket.
No, after that, below that, yeah, that one.
This is second inverse.
And before that, it's velocity, it's frequency.
Frequency, yeah.
Okay.
So is that division visible rays?
Visible rays, UV.
So between UV and the infrared rays.
Oh, this is visible, yeah.
Okay.
The visible spectrum. So here noted.
Completed.
Wavelength. (10⁻⁻16). Maintain here 10⁻⁻12. (10⁻⁻8). No. X-rays, gamma rays. Just wait, here 10⁻⁻10, 10⁻⁻8, 10⁻8 to IR rays. (10⁻⁻4).
So 10⁻⁻4 is IR or microwaves?
10⁻⁻6. Yeah, in between this is IR rays.
Okay.
Visible spectrum I will give you separately downside. Microwaves. And right here 10⁻4. After that radio waves only.
Sir,
Yes.
is there anything beyond 10 to the power minus 16?
This side, yes, there. That's all we are considered as a cosmic rays only.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
He just left.
Excuse me, sir.
Didn't you see?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
I actually had a couple of doubts in the previous chapter, so I wanted to clear it out before the test.
Okay.
Sir, even I had few doubts.
Okay. I'll explain. 10 power minus 6. $14.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, actually, these all waves move at a speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8, no, sir?
Yeah.
So, sir, we can write down the frequency in terms of the wavelength itself because
Yeah. Sufficient. If you know one value, also sufficient. Another value we can calculate. Higher rays. Okay. Microwaves. 10 power 8. So it's also 10 power 4. Okay, then it's major important thing is visible spectrum. Visible spectrum wavelengths are very important. Start from 380 lambda in nanometers, end with 760. This is violet. This is indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So this is 430, 450, 490, 560, 590, 650. Okay, it's completed.
So 1 minute.
Sir, when will the previous chapter doubts be clear?
We have tomorrow. We have class, right? Your exam is on Tuesday or Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. We have class on Monday, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
Monday class I will explain. I think in JEE questions also I did not explain all the questions.
Yes, sir.
Previous year JEE questions I did not explain. So I explain you those all questions. Then your doubt clarification. Okay.
It'll be
Yes, sir.
at the same time, 5:30.
Yeah. Our class is Monday on 5:30. Yeah, 5:30 to.
Okay.
It's only 5:30 to 7. Okay. Write one problem. Calculate wave number and frequency of LO radiation.
Thus,
Yes.
the doubts will be cleared on Monday.
Hello.
Sir?
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, so the doubts will be cleared on Monday at the regular class.
Yeah. On Monday, regular class. We have 5:30 to 7 now. In that class, I will clarify you all doubts in periodic table chapter.
Okay, sir.
Calculate wave number and frequency. of yellow light radiation of yellow light having wavelength of wavelength of 5800 angstroms. So here wavelength is given. Lambda is equal to 5800 angstroms. We have to calculate wave number and frequency. Wave number formula is 1 by lambda. And frequency formula nu is equal to c by lambda. First calculate 1 by lambda value. 1 by 5800 angstroms. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meters. So moving the upside, so this is 10 power 10 divided by 5800. 1000 into 10 power 6 divided by 5800. 20 cancels. 100 by 58. Approximately 8. One 1.4.
Sir,
No. 7. One 1.72 into 10 power 6. This is V bar meter inverse. Then we want frequency. Nu is equal to c by lambda. I mean, nothing but c into 1 by lambda. 1 by lambda already we have 1.72. C value 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second into 1 by lambda, multiply with this 1.72 into 10 power 6. 10 power 14. 1.72 into 3. 2.16. No. 5.16. That's the second inverse or hedge. Then write next problem. The Vivid Bharati station of All India Radio, Delhi broadcast, at a frequency of 1368 hertz, sorry, kilohertz. Calculate wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation. Emitted by the transmitter. Emitted by the transmitter. Calculate frequency is given. Calculate wavelength. You know formula, lambda is equal to c by nu. C is velocity of light, 3 into 10 power 8. Frequency is 1368 kilohertz. So convert into hertz. 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 1368 into 10 power 3 hertz. So 3 divided by 1368 into 10 power 5. Final answer is 219.3 meters. Okay, then next question. The wavelength range of the visible spectrum extended from violet 400 nanometers to red 750 nanometers. Express these wavelengths in frequencies. Bracket. So 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meters. Okay, can you solve that problem? This one, you need to convert wavelength into frequency. So wavelength of violet color is given and red color also 750. You need to convert both into frequencies. Calculate and tell the answers. Tell me final answer of these questions.
So is the first answer 7.5 into 10 to the power 20?
7 point.
So it is 7.5 into 10 to the power 15.
20.
I got 14.
So I also got
Even I got 14, sir.
So even me, I got 14.
That's the answer. First one, 7.5 into 10 power 14. That's then calculate second one also.
4 times 10 to the power 14.
0.04
The 4
to the power
to 10 to the power 15.
4 times 10 to the power 14.
4 into 10 power
14.
14. Yes, correct. Okay, then one question, next question. How long would it take a radio wave of frequency 6 into 10 power 3 second inverse to travel from Mars to the Earth? Mars to the Earth. A distance of 8 into 10 power 7 kilometers.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, for this we need to use 3 into 10 to the power 8, no, sir?
Yeah. This value is not mandatory to solve this problem.
Sir,
We have to calculate time, how much time is required to travel this. Just this by velocity of light. Then you can get answer.
Sir, I think it would be 4 minutes.
8 into 10 power 7 into 10 power 3 meters, convert into meters, divided by velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meters. Time will come. Calculate this. So answer will comes in seconds. You convert that seconds into, okay, tell me finally in seconds. How many seconds?
266.66.
Okay, totally 266 seconds. Okay, convert into minutes. Divided by
Around
60
4 minutes.
gives in seconds. Okay, completed.
Yes, sir.
Answer should come in 4 minutes.
6 seconds. No, 4 minutes 26 seconds.
4.26 minute. Okay, then next subheading, limitations of electromagnetic wave theory. Okay, listen. Limitations. Okay, the main postulate in this theory is the absorbed energy or emitted energy, it is continuation form, means it is in wave form and also continuous. That is only main prediction of this theory. So however, it having some limitations. It is able to explain interference and diffraction of light. Now, light having some properties. I think you already know those. Reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, polarization, photoelectric effect, and Compton effect. Compton results. These are the properties of a light. So in these properties, it is able to explain some properties like diffraction also it is able to explain, and interference also this theory is able to explain. But mainly it is failed in the explaining the black body radiation and photoelectric effect.
So should we copy this down?
No, later I will give. Just first of all, listen. It failed in the explanation of black body radiation and photoelectric effect. And also it failed in explaining the spectra of hydrogen atom. So hydrogen atoms gives a line spectrum. This line spectrum is not able to explained by wave theory or electromagnetic wave theory. These are the major failures of electromagnetic wave theory. And mainly one more point is that this is variation of heat capacity of a solid substance. Variation of heat capacity. Variation of heat capacity of solid substance with a function of temperature. These are the failures of electromagnetic wave theory. Mainly why this electromagnetic wave theory is failed in explaining this is because this theory is considered the light having only wave nature, but light also having particle nature. This is not considered the particle nature of light. That's what it is failed in explaining these properties. Black body radiation, photoelectric effect, line spectra of hydrogen atom, variation of heat capacity of solid substance with a function of temperature. So one by one I will explain you what is a black body radiation. So this is actually a hypothetical concept. The black body means it is a hypothetical concept, but however in the universe it's happening, we are observing, but man not prepared any black body. I mean not black colored body. Black colored body, it can absorb some radiation and it can emit, but during this process some loss of energy also happens. But actual black body means a perfectly object which can absorb all kind of radiation and it can radiate all kind of radiations. So it is a perfectly absorber and a perfect emitter. That is called black body. It is a hypothetical concept. Hello guys, are you getting?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So black body is a black color substance only. It can absorb all kind of radiations. You send any type of radiation, it can absorb. And also it have capacity to emit all kind of radiations. So here there is no loss of energy. That is called black body. That's why in universe, we can visualize stars, but black body we can't visualize. Just we can identify there is a one black body. There is a black body substance. Because why we can't visualize a black body? Anybody can tell reason?
Sir, because it's not visible, because it pulls all radiation.
Very good. So we are visualize any material, any object, either red color, blue color, white color, whatever it is. when light reflects, that light only we are visualizing, that only we feel color. But this is a black body. When you pass any kind of light, it can absorb. So there is no reflection. That's the problem. That's why we can't visualize a black body. So black bodies are present in universe, but we are identifying how here stars are revolving very fastly around this black body. So just we have to identify that at the center of the stars, there is one black body. That's why only the stars are revolving very fastly along with this object. Got it, this point about black body?
Yes, sir.
Next, photoelectric effect is a big concept. Later I will explain you. It's a big calculation also there. Next, line spectrum, no doubt this is only hydrogen spectrum. This concept also deep and big concept. Later it will come about this. Same, it's the lines gives like so this kind of lines are produced. So this line spectrum is not explained by electromagnetic wave theory. And finally, this one, variation of heat capacity of solid substance with a function of temperature. Suppose, tell me.
Sir, you told like it was not able to explain the line spectra of hydrogen atom. So was it able to explain for the others?
We have one more theory, no? Quantum theory, Planck quantum theory. Planck quantum theory explains, because in Planck quantum theory we are considering the light consists of particle nature. That can explain. Here in electromagnetic wave theory, here we are consider light is a wave, light having a wave nature. In Planck quantum theory, we are considering light having a particle nature. That's what we are able to explain here. Here unable to explain.
No, sir. Like, was this theory able to explain the line spectra of all other atoms other than hydrogen atom?
Oh, no, it is unable to explain any line spectra of element.
Okay.
Okay, see, hydrogen atom having only one electron. So it is unable to explain an atom having a single electron. So how it can explain a multi-electron atom? It's impossible. So finally it is fail in explaining line spectra of any element. Okay. Then next one is variation of heat capacity of solid substance with function of temperature. Here we will consider one solid material which having high melting point. Okay, high melting point. Suppose you may take iron. Iron on heating, its color changes to which color? First it changes to red color. Further heating, red color changes to yellow. I think generally we are observing up to here only red color. Then further heating of this yellow color of metal changes to white. Then finally it changes to blue color. Actually, according to electromagnetic wave theory, the energy of a radiation is directly proportional to its intensity. Mind this point. These points are asking in conceptual based questions. According to electromagnetic wave theory, energy of radiation, that may be emitted energy or absorbed energy, that is directly proportional to intensity of radiation. And here this theory says intensity varies with the wavelength of a light. So now we will observe one. It's a very important graph. Carefully observe. Here we are taking intensity. Here wavelength. Observe the graph from left to right to left. This is T1 temperature. This is T2 temperature. So first study from this side. This is the wavelength. With the decrease of wavelength, so we are studying from right side to left. With the decrease of wavelength, so this peak is increasing and reaches a maximum point. Correct? So with the decrease of wavelength, intensity is increased. No. Suppose here wavelength, this value, this much only intensity. Further wavelength is decreased, intensity is increased, and further decreased, intensity reached maximum value. Maximum value it reached, and further decreasing of wavelength, intensity of light is decreasing. And this graph also same. You take any different temperatures, same thing happens. With the decrease of wavelength, intensity of a light initially increases, and further decrease of wavelength, intensity also decreases. This point says there is no much relationship between wavelength and intensity, but actually wavelength is related to frequency. This is correct relationship. Sorry, actually inversely proportional. Wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency. It's not related to intensity. That's why only energy of radiation, electromagnetic wave is directly proportional to its frequency, not intensity. If you mind this one point in this concept. Wavelength and intensity, there is no relationship, and even energy of radiation is not related to its intensity. It's actually related to its frequency, and here frequency and wavelength are inversely proportional.
Sir, a small doubt, sir.
Yes,
What's the
tell me.
difference between intensity and frequency?
Frequency, already I told you. Intensity is the brightness of a light. That is intensity. One thing.
Okay.
Here observe the colors. Red, yellow, white, blue. Here, which light having more intensity? Where we may observe much glowness?
White.
White we can observe, but here blue having less intensity, correct?
Yes.
Yes, but when any material having, when it is a blue color, means it releases a strong radiation. That radiation having high frequency. If a metal is a red color, it releases less energy. Means it releases no radiation. That radiation energy is less here. Here blue light radiation having very much frequency. Higher energy means it having higher frequency. So, but here electromagnetic wave theory says intensity is higher, means obviously that having higher energy. That's a wrong concept. Intensity is not related to its energy. Energy is related to its frequency. Any doubt here? Suppose, just we think, red light, red color, blue color, we can visualize. Yes, but gamma rays, cosmic rays, is it possible to visualize?
No.
Gamma rays, cosmic rays, UV rays, we can't visualize those radiations. But actually those are more powerful radiation because those having high energetic radiations. Those can penetrate through any strong metal also. But this color light, blue color light, white color light, can they penetrate through metals or any materials? No. So here intensity is not related to energy. Fine? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Next, we'll go to photoelectric effect. Otherwise, first write these points. Right. Electromagnetic wave theory was successful. in explaining the property of light such as interference, diffraction,
Sir, interference is a property of light. So what does
yeah,
it
it is a
mean?
property of light. Merging, light merging.
Okay, okay.
And diffraction is bending. Bending means not bend. Actually, light is travels in straight only, but when a object is there here, so light a little bit bends here. That's called diffraction.
Is that same as refraction?
No. Refraction is different. Refraction is it is passing through medium, no? That's why that bending happens. But here any object is there. Here, suppose some object is there, light is passing from here. But here also light is coming, no? That's
Sir,
called
Okay.
diffraction.
gravity, no, sir.
Hello?
Sir, that's due to gravity only, no, sir.
Due to?
Gravity, no, sir.
Yeah, due to gravity that happens. Mostly that's we are studying in special theory of relativity. When a big massive substance is there, the light is bends at the object. That's we are studying in deep about this. We are studying in special theory of relativity. Light bending. That's only we are calling diffraction. Yeah, right. Next. Etc. But it could not explain the following. First one, the phenomena of black body radiation. The photoelectric effect. The variation of heat capacity of solids as a function of temperature. As a function of temperature. It's the line spectra of atoms.
Hey, what is the relation?
Hello? It's completed 4 points.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, right, black body definition. Black body and black body radiation. Black body is a perfect absorber. Absorber and perfect radiator. Perfect radiator. Of energy. The radiation emitted by a black body is called black body radiation.
So the subheading is black body radiation or black body and black body radiation?
Black body and black body radiation.
Okay.
This is the definition. This is the black body radiation definition.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what is the relation between the electromagnetic wave theory and the black body radiation, sir?
See, if they're talking about if you take any black body, so first initially it absorbs the radiation. Okay, when it blasts, then it releases the radiation, right? During that process, the radiation in the form of wave only. That is given by wave theory, Maxwell wave theory, electromagnetic wave theory. But it is not a correct. Here, according to this theory, says energy is continuously it absorbs, and even when it emits, it's also continuously it emits. That's the concept of electromagnetic wave theory. But it's not correct. If you see in black body emitted radiation is not in the continuation form. It is in discontinuation form. Actually, radiation is not comes continuously. It comes and sometime later then it also comes one more photon, or we are calling a quantum energy packets it releases. It's not gives continuously. Okay. Hello?
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Continuous and radiation is not coming out. If it's black body radiation, it not gives continuously radiation. It gives it discontinuously. Like this.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Yes.
During lightning, is there radiations released from the source?
During lightning. Oh no. Lightning is means if it is a visible region, we can observe some light, color light. If it is not belongs to visible region, we don't observe any color. We don't see even that is a lightning. That is just a form of energy only.
Sir, so there are no radiations released from that source.
No, if no radiation means nothing. That look like a black color only. Object looks black. If there is no radiation means either it does not absorb or not releases, that object looks black color.
Okay.
Okay. Then lastly, note down on point. So 2 points.
Sir,
Hello?
sir,
Yes?
sir, could you tell what the black body is made up of?
A black body, it is a hypothetical object which absorbs all kind of radiation and emits all kind of radiation. That's only black body.
Is there any
So-
particular material
So
which
okay, so we will take some example which are closer to a black body. In summer, mostly saying don't wear any black color shirts and pant because it absorbs high radiations. Of course, it won't absorb 100%. Somewhat better compared to other color shirts. It absorbs more. And even utensils we are using for cooking purpose, right? Downside of that cooking utensil coated with a black color. Did you observe? Hello?
Yes, sir.
That's because a black color
Yes.
object acts as a strong absorber. It can absorb a large amount of heat energy or any radiations.
So, sir, any black body, you're talking about any black body?
Any black
anything.
body. Yeah, anything. Just a black color object, you select anything that have more capacity to absorb energy, either radiation or heat. But I'm not saying that is this black body. This black body means we are giving a definition of perfect black. It won't looks like
Okay.
we can't visualize that object. That much black it is. Pitch dark.
Sir, so you're talking about black hole, no, sir?
Black?
Black hole.
Ah, yeah, that's black holes only. This black body. Yeah. We are calling the black holes. That is having a black object that absorbs all kind of radiations. That's only we can't visualize that black holes.
Sir, so black bodies can absorb everything.
Ah, yes, all kind of radiation. Even light, any light also it can absorb. That's why we can't visualize black body. It having a more gravity. That's what it can absorb.
Sir, so it can also absorb particles.
Yeah. Even general saying, Earth also to become a black body, Earth size should become 1 centimeter below 1 centimeter. If Earth size becomes below 1 centimeter ball, then Earth also behaves like a black body. Is it possible?
Yes, sir, that's true.
So that means Earth having a it having gravity. It's a big object. When you bring this Earth into a small ball, so its gravity becomes more and more. That's why it having ability to absorb light also. Generally, light is not much affected by gravity, but because of that high gravity, light also completely absorbed by a body. That's called black body. It won't releases any light. We are calling that's a reflection. There is no reflection. That's what we can't visualize object. That's called black body. Okay, right, the next point. According to electromagnetic wave theory, the energy is emitted or absorbed the energy is emitted or absorbed continuously. Hence, the energy of any electromagnetic radiation is proportional to its intensity. Its intensity. And is independent of its frequency. Condition and is independent of frequency or wavelength. So conclusion point. So according to the wave theory, so thus according to the wave theory, the radiation emitted by the body being heated should have the same color. Should have same color. Although its intensity may vary.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Okay, I think this point will give you conclusion of this black body radiations. See, according to electromagnetic wave theory, energy emitted or absorbed continuously. Hence, the energy of any electromagnetic radiation is proportional to its intensity. Here talking about intensity, here not talking about its frequency. The energy of any electromagnetic wave radiation is directly proportional to its intensity. Okay. Suppose its energy is directly proportional to intensity. while heating the object, it have to maintain same color. But is it maintaining same color? No, it won't maintain same color. Its color is changes. Look here. According to the wave theory, the radiation emitted by the body being heated should have the same color, although the intensity may vary as the heating is continued. So if energy of a hot body is directly proportional to its intensity, means that should have to, while heating, that should have to maintain same color. But here object not maintain same color. While heating, object color is changes. That means its energy is not depends upon its intensity, it depends upon its frequency. Here the scientist Maxwell did mistake is, according to electromagnetic wave theory, the energy is emitted absorbed is continuous in form. This is only the mistake. He considered it is in continuation form. That's what he given it is related to intensity. It is actually related to its frequency. To explain frequency and energy relation, we have to go for E is equal to h nu formula. This is given by Planck quantum. Planck's, we are studying this point in Planck's theory. E is equal to h nu. See here, energy is directly proportional to its frequency, not related to its intensity. Okay. Note down these 2 points, and next class I will give you graph. Graph is very important. Okay, guys, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.